Hey guys, it's Mike from Urban English. Hope you're having a great day. I'm standing here in Barrio Bajo, which is the original Barrio of Barranquilla. Absolutely gorgeous out here. I'm actually in front of the old customs building. Very cool. Guys, I want to tell you something. I am so tired. Oh, I just want to sleep. The problem is that I have been burning the candle at both ends. Yeah, that's right. Burning the candle at both ends. In Spanish, you would say, well, in fact, there is no literal translation in Spanish, but the concept of burning the candle at both ends is like, se te está quemando la vela por los dos lados. Yeah? The idea is that you wake up very early in the morning to begin working, and then you work very late into the night. You're burning the candle at both ends. Are you burning the candle at both ends? If you are, you should get some sleep. Guys, I hope you enjoy these videos. Hit subscribe in the bottom. Share this with your friends. If you have any questions at all about this video or any other expression that you want me to explain, just say so in the comments below. And as always, have a fantastic day.